Standard 8 Maths Chapter 1 Rational Numbers. Hello everyone. In our previous video we have discussed about closure property on whole numbers, integers and rational numbers under various mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this video we will continue our discussion with the property of commutation or commutativity property. We will proceed in the similar way as we did in case of closure property, that we will be checking it on whole numbers, we will be checking it on integers or on rational numbers as in the same sequence. So addition, subtraction, multiplication. In this video we are just combining all the four mathematical operation to understand it in a better way, and that is division. Now, what does commutativity property means? The commutative word commutative nothing is nothing but means to move around or to commutate. That means once if we change the sequence of a operation of a expression, the resultant should not get affected. It means it should yield the same result even after changing the sequence of addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Let's discuss it one by one. Right? If we say 5 plus 3, what is it? 8. And if we write 3 plus 5, answer will also be same. Means in both cases it has yielded 8 as result. This implies that the sequence of addition does not matter whether if we write 3 first or 5 at the first place. The sequence will not have any impact on this operation. That means addition is commutative. What it means? Addition is commutative. In case of subtraction, we have to check whether a minus b is same as b minus a or not. We'll check it with help of example like 10 minus 7. Answer will be 3. If we reverse the sequence of subtraction, that is 7 minus 10. Answer will be minus 3. So, does this 3 and minus 3 are same? Of course, they are not same. Means in case of subtraction, if we change the sequence of the operation, that means in first case we have take 10 minus 7 and second case that is 7 minus 3. The answer in both cases are different. That means subtraction is not commutative. What it means? Subtraction is not commutative. It means the sequence of subtraction will have impact on the resultant number. Now we'll check it for multiplication. What we have to check is whether a into b is equal to b into a or not. In case of subtraction, this sequence does have effect on resultant, so this property does not hold true for subtraction. Now for multiplication, what is the sequence? If we change the sequence, like we multiply 7 by 9 by 7, answer is 63. If we multiply 7, if we reverse the sequence, answer will always remain same. So, what it means? Whether we multiply by 9 into 7 or 7 into 9, answer will also remain 63. Let's check it out with one more example. In this case also, answer is same. So, changing of sequence of these number does not impact the resultant number in both cases. So, that means multiplication is commutative. What it means? The changing of sequence does not bear any impact on the resultant number. Multiplication is commutative. Now, division, we have to again check whether a divided by b is equal to b divided by a or not. We'll take one example. 10 divided by 2, answer is 5. And if we change the sequence, that is 2 divided by 10, answer will be 1 upon 5. Are these two resultant same? No. So that means if we change the sequence in case of division, the answer will not be same. So that means division is not commutativity. The division is not commutative. It will impact the resultant. Division is not commutative. I hope you are clear with this. Now we have to check it with, like we have checked it whole numbers, now we'll check it for integers under the same heading.